Change Amazon language to English. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change your Amazon language to English, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to change the language of your Amazon account to English, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Amazon shopping app here. And once you launch the Amazon app, you will see this type of interface. Now, assuming you don't understand the language, I'm only assuming you understand English. So you can listen to me. When you look at the bottom of the Amazon app, you can see several icons. You just have to look for this icon right here at the center, which is this account like icon. So when you tap on that account like icon, you'll come to this page. Now look at the top right corner, you'll find a little flag icon depending upon the country and language you have selected. So tap on that flag icon here. And once you tap on that flag icon, now you can just go to country and region, and then you can just go ahead and select the country, or you can just choose this language option here. And once you select language, you can just select the English language depending on what is it that you prefer. Tap the done option and your language will get successfully changed. This way you can change Amazon language to English. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.